Incremental greetings. Look at this item. Serendipity. That's actually so suitable for what I want to share with you today. The ability to make discoveries by chance. I actually did that. Look. File. These are the last opened collections. And perhaps if you have experimented or you moved backups or something like that, you will have collections you no longer use. Well, you can actually delete that. I think not on using SuperMemo interface. So now, look, we have learning and test. Gotcha. I will go where I have my SuperMemo file. SM184, and it's inside bin. You have supermemo.ini. So I will be using this. Wow. And you have this file. First and foremost, do a backup of this file before doing anything else. If you go to the bottom, you will see systems. Does this sound familiar? So if I delete this to test, which is system number 2, save that. Okay, I quit SuperMemo, I started again, and now it's just learning. So this is useful because usually I will be using my own collections that I have now. Not the old ones, the old versions, or the same but in a different place, which I had before doing the GitLab backup. So it's just a small detail. It's worth it to do it if you want to.